Okay, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Pepe update today. And look, Bitcoin is really rising. Okay, we're nearly $73,000 right now, and I still may not say anything bad about the market, even though we are pumped, even though big bearish divergence appearing on the 4-hour time frame, but still, the market does actually show that it's interested to keep pushing higher more than coming to the downside. There are certain situations where you just want to say that I think this is the time the market wants to come down. Like the market does actually present itself to you and it tells you that, hey, I'm actually ready to go down. It's not doing that anymore, right? Apart from the bearish divergence, of course. But when you look at the chart pattern here, everything is still golden. Everything is so damn okay right now. So what am I talking about exactly? Look at this EMA bull cross you had on the 4-hour time frame at 1741. You went all the way up to nearly, you can see that it really did push up to 9906, almost nearly killing that zero. And then you started to come down and you maintained the 4-hour time frame bull cross. Look, it just came to the 55, which is a very strong support as well. Number one, 55 offered as a strong support. Number two, look, you have another support as well. This was your resistance, 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 break above, came for the retest, pushed up, came for the retest again, and finally you did push to the upside. What can I say? Look on the daily, right? If you look on the daily, Pepe still had touched this 10 EMA and had a reaction, and now again we are green, which means that we're still ready to go parabolic, hopefully. So target is up to 12,948. Invalidation problem is going to appear when Pepe does touch 6,238. It's still okay, right? We're still fine. Do you like what I'm saying? Just like the video. Make sure you're following me because you may never see this channel again. And that's all for this quick update on Pepe, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.